Most people in the USA think you need a tech degree to work with AI, but I'm here to show you how I make $200 a day labeling AI data with zero formal qualifications. This is one of the quietest but most profitable online jobs right now in the USA. Ground truth, labeling is basically teaching AI systems what's correct. You look at images, text, or audio and mark what's true. Think of it as being the human teacher behind the machine. And yes, companies in the USA pay real money for this. Here's how it works. AI companies in the USA need massive amounts of labeled data. They hire contractors to tag, categorize, and verify information. You log in, complete tasks, and get paid per project or per hour. I started with small gigs, and within weeks, I was consistently hitting $200 per day. The best part? You don't need coding skills, just attention to detail and consistency. I have worked with platforms that connect directly to AI firms in the USA, and the pay is steady. It's flexible, remote, and you can scale up by taking on more tasks. If you are in the USA, this is one of the easiest entry points into the AI economy.